Ibeke po ingka kong taus-pusong kapasalamatan. Mumunang dili, King Arts, Culture, and Tourism Office of Pampanga. Hindi katamang provincial government, headed by Governor Delta Pineda. Maantamo naman yung organizing committee at jury ng 2023 Most Outstanding Kapampangan Awards. Pasalamatan kaya mo naman yung Pampanga State Agricultural University nakakumaying kadwang bale king may git 40 banwa ng official, faculty, and non-teaching staff na kayantabi ako karing may liwang research projects. Pasalamat ko naman king kanakong pamilya, karing kanakong anak, apo, lalo na king kakong katuwang king Bien, Professor Celso Reyes, king pamilyang Kong ng San Fernando, at king pamilyang Reyes ng Magalang, king pamilya suporta kanako. Naalay ke ing pagkilala ini, karing kanakong Pengari, Mariano, at Julita, para king inspirasyon. Maragula ka pasalamatan, king malugod tamong Gino, king alang kondisyon ay lugod, king talento, na kayang peparang, at king ega-naganang grasyang pekalog na kaya katamo. The evidence-based and data-driven research, maragulang sao king nation building, policy creation, at economic growth. Kaya patuloy tayo pong sanang gawang instrumento in science and technology. Kaya bera din kaya katamong talento para agawang mas mayaning biya na din kaya katamong kabalen at kaparang tao. Luwid ka Pampanga. Luwid laring siyentista para king balen. Dahil pong salamat at may pabengi po kaya katamungan.
Tutong maraguladanulan ing makatanggap at ikaniting parangal bilang Kapampangan. Iti ang pagkaking kakatamong mayupayang din, karikakong pamilya, kakaluguran, kapag-obra at ting egalaga ng tao maniwala ka na. Iti, mo para ka na, muling sa salaminane ng kabilog, suporta na ng Pampanga Police Provincial Office, apamuntukan ng kagatamang Provincial Director, Police Colonel Levi Buki Basilio. Uli na rito, at yung kini ang tingpek katawan ng egalaga ng inisyatibo ng kapulisan ng Pampanga, alang sawang man ang tabi, karang kagatamang kabalen, king pamanimumong ng kagatamang Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Jose Hidalgo Jr. Dating programa ng kapulisan, mapalyari ng alaya ng alang patubot asawa ng provincial government ng Pampanga. Anya, pabiya ko po king kakong maragula kapasalamatan king kakatamang malugod na gobernador, Honorable Dennis Delta Pineda, ang po king kakatamang vice-gobernador, Honorable Lilia Nanay Pineda. Antipurin, niyaning oras sa iti, pakasalamatan ko lang rin kanamong mentors, dahil kaya kayong amanong at payo, ina rin meging matibay kong pundasyon, tingnan mo kapagsukan. Anting iti nga parangal iti, magsilbiyang reminder, ban ibalawas tamo ikakatamong daraktan para kereng memanet. Dakal pa dapat gawad, dakal pa dapat protektahan. Anting tunay Kapampangan, iting galal, sukat din ipagmaragul din kayanakan at gawa na rin bawa, ban atin lang maging tuntunan king karelang sariling masading kapagnasan para kung tahimik at mapayapang siyudad San Fernando at king mabilog alalawigang Kapampangan. Pasibayo po, pasalamat kong maragul kay kayungan. Abe-abe kamong lisasan metong king pamaliganap at pamipatibe king kapayapan.
When I decided to enter into the realm of public service back in 2013, being awarded for it was the furthest thing from my mind. As a public servant, helping our constituents, especially those coming from the marginalized sector, and ensuring that they receive the most efficient care and service from the government is enough as an award. Having said that, it is with an abundantly grateful and humble heart that I accept this most outstanding Kapampangan Award in the field of government service for the year 2023. Being awarded for my effort in public service has never been a goal. But to me, this award is a testament that I've been doing a good job as a public servant for the past 10 years. I would like to thank the provincial government of Pampanga under the able leadership of Governor Dennis Pineda and Vice Governor Lilia Pineda and the selection committee of the Most Outstanding Kapampangan Award 2023 for considering me worthy of this recognition. Dakal pong dakala salamat king kaya kayong binyatiwala at pagkilala. I share and dedicate this award to all Angeleños whom we mandated to serve. This award is a recognition not just for me, but to the entire Angeles City local government. This award is a symbol of our hard work and will inspire us to further think outside the box and to further innovate in order to better serve the people of Angeles City. We will not rest on our laurel. Instead, we will take this recognition as a challenge for us to reach further heights and do so much better than we have already done. Mangako ko pong mas lalo tamo pong samasnan ang serbisyo na ng Angeles City Local Government karang Angeleños. Once again, thank you very much for this award. This is Carmelo G. Ladatin Jr., your most outstanding Kapampangan awardee in the field of government service for year 2023. Luwid la rin Kapampangan. Luwid ya ang syudad na ning Angeles.
Maya Pabengi Kekongan po. Ako po Dr. Mary Jane Alvero Almahdi, makatuknang po king United Arab Emirates. Ing pengari ko po menibad po king Del Carmen, Lubao, Pampanga. Ing matwa ko po Renato Alvero, ang po ima ko Marta Mendoza. Maragulya po ing pamilya mi king Lubao. Karangalan ko po natanggapan ngayon Benny ay ni. Ing kapatad na po ning ima ko King America, matulala po king award na binyeyo. Puri ko la din pong i-congratulate ding abe kong menikwangening Benny. Puri ko rin pong pasalamatan ding ganaganang mag-organize king event pong ini. Magagalak kong tatanggapan ng presiyosong gantimpalang ini abibyeyo kanako. Amembatan king lokal a gobyerno ning Pampanga. Ngayon Benny ay ni alitamo mo pagdiwang ingke katamang tagumpe nung alipati kong pakanako tamo alabanan o alagpasan ing hanggang sakit at pagsubok ake katamang delanan. Bawat metong ke katamo ating kanya-kanyang kwento o karanasan ang magsilbing maging inspirasyon kareng daratang a henerasyon. Dakaw tanangan apagdanganan ban kanitang akamitamu ingke katamong kanya-kanyang talento at kung pakanano tamu apakit ingke katamong sariling pamikaaliwa keng nanumang bagay. Most of all, I hope everyone here lives tonight reinvigorated and inspired. May this be the start of another year of growth, learning and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Let us all strive to set an example for those coming after us and to leave a legacy in a better place than we found it. Before ending this message, I want to leave this metaphor. Our life is best lived when we lift up other people and make a difference in others' lives. We must know how to recognize our strengths much as our weakness. Our success is measured on the happiness of the people who impacts our life and the value of the legacy we lived and will leave for others to be inspired. I dedicate this recognition to my parents, family, friends, colleagues, and most especially to my friend, Crisia Chu Tranquilino, for the trust and support she has given me. Maragul pong salamat po King Governor ng Pampanga, Honorary Dennis Pineda, ang po King former President Honorary Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, at po King Mocha Vice Chairman Honorary Mylene P. Cayabyab. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Bengi po, bengi ng Diyos kaya kataman. Muna po pasalamatan kayong Most Outstanding Kapampangan Committee, likewise yung Acto Pampanga, kayong biyerang pamikatago ng Tikaniti, parangal, karing kalupaming Kapampangan. At also, I'd like to thank Sir Paul Sarmiento ng St. Peter Parish, Knights of Columbus. Hindi po nga na akong professional life, may kumpisaya, kaya may itong paninap mo. Simpleng paninap na mo, ng kanakong ima, yapusitang, pengarapan na po yung magiging mestro. At ito po, I appreciated that na nung ito yung pangarap ng ima ko, then siguro I will try my best to be a good teacher. And being a good teacher is meaning I will embrace all the diligence, industry, perseverance, and also the desirable work habit and attitude that I have observed from my father, Yapong Kiko. Likewise, the sterling leadership and managerial quality of Apuntitong Mr. Kapulong na metong yakareta minuna tamong supervisor kaya division of Pampanga. And I remember paninasabang ganito yung karelang superintendent metong yung Amerikano pa yung Mr. Nutter. Yes, from this premise, dakal po yung nilabas sa panahon makaba from 1970 na classroom teacher ko, and then may promote kong head teacher, and then principal, then supervisor 1, 2, and making assistant chief, and finally chief inyang mag-retire ko in 2013. This year was characterized by many trials and sacrifices. Kaya ako numisan papansinganda ako agad na sabihin, ba't pati yan gagawan mo ano obra yan? Then naman po aliwa, sabihin da, bisa katang magmamulitika. Well, of course, hearing these comments, instead na ma-open ko, pero mas matula ko kasi this only confirms na gustong gagawin ko. I am doing beyond the normal and the usual contract that define my position as supervisor or as a school administrator kasi I am going the extra mile and even lifting a finger to help our school children. I remember many children, many school children, and also the college students, pati na rin yung kanakong tatalangin kayong graduate schools, nung minsan talagang mangailangan lang sahop. But itang sahop mo karya lang, malati will prove and push them their way para kayong may pakayap lang at magilang successful. So ngayon pong kabeng yan, tatanggapan kayo in awarding me with all the challenges, and all the more, I feel resolved to continue passing on the banner, passing on the torch of knowledge para karetang liwakang daragul, baganita maging malino yung karelang biya pa yung tumulan. Iti po sana, madyak pang kalupan niya mo ng kandilang undapunda, magsilbiyang sala, karing kaya katamong anak, king karelang pa yung tumulan. Thank you very much. God bless us all. Thank you po.
Masaya po. Mas masaya po sana ngayon nung atila pa yung mga kumpay tatang ko. Pero balak nga nalbilang ngayon, lalawenda ko. Again, very proud la kay metong danganak. Ako, pasalamat ko po karing mestra ko niyang elementary. Alano po ngayon eh. Pero, tren pong alwami pong mestra king high school at ilo pa po. Pasalamat ko po kaya kayungan, kaya training binyayo kaya kami. Kaya tamakayari kami muna mga college at maging successful kaya kami career. Agaganakak po niya may exam kami UP, grupo kami kayong jazz, Sebat Santos High School. Anyang linwala rin resulta. Alam may pasar kaya kami at ilo kasi kayong dyaryo. Kaya ba't may kamaliya pala yung UP, balo ng UP Los Baños sa ding may publish. Kaya ba't abalumi, marakal kami may pasar. No pong kakaswelo rin mestrami, makanyang puwing kaya kami relationship with the teachers and the students. Hanggang yan po rin pong kalaguran ko talaga rin mo pong ka-high school kong classmates. Ang po elementary po, mag-reunion kaya po, pangatami na. Pero po, as na po kasanting pami-abi-abi at kapampangan lang po halos din ka na akong kaluguran. Karin po mig-organize kaning mo ka, nakalpunta ka na salamat at recognize yun na rin exceptional kapampangan kaya tiki katamang probinsya at even overseas. Pero po, balok po dakal pa pong mas deserving siguro, pero ako po pasalamat ko, uling po iningawaday ni, yapi na po ning culmination ng kanang kong whole lifetime career. Dakal salamat. Luidya po yung Kapampangan.
Magrasya at Luidaldo Kapampangan, kaya katamungan po. Tunay pong makagalaw at makapagmaraguli-gulisa na metong kong Kapampangan. Ako po yung Mark Joseph Rivera Ocampo, Tubong Lubao, Dayang Kapampangan. Burige pong samantalanan ng pamikatagon na iti, para pugayan ring matinaka ng anak ng probinsyang Kapampangan. Gobernador Dennis Delta Pineda, Vice Gobernador Liliana Nay Pineda, Congresswoman Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, at kareng hanggang mamuntukan kay Mabilog Pampanga, kaya kami pong maganakang Mayor ng Lubao, Mayora Esme Pineda, at kaya katamo pong Mocha Overall Vice Chairman, Board Member Mylene Pineda Kayabyab, kambiya kong awardis at bisita, Maya Pauras kaya katamungan po. Metong niya pong pangarap pamigkatuto iting karangalan au may akong tanggapan, pasalamat ko po kaniting oportunidad ami pagkalub ka na ako. Nino pong magakala na yung metong anak kameragul keng kasakitan, na tanging babakalan ing kapagpursigyan at hilig keng sports siya yung maging dalan, panayabot na ing kayang pangarapan. Mekad pipilan lamo po kaya katamo kay makabalo keng sports a pinili kong luguran ing sepak takraw. Anyang 2003 palarong pambansa keng Tubod Lanao del Norte, misulat keng kasaysayan keng kauna-una ang pagkakataon. Mag-champion niya ang probinsyang Kapampangan, kape kakatawanan ng Central Luzon keng sepak takraw. Keng suporta na kay kami ni kaya katang Gobernador ngeni na Mayor may pulubaw kanito, Igov Delta, pedala na kami keng miyayaliwang lugar kaya ti Pilipinas, panmamiya karangalan. Pauli dareting pagkakataon, miyabe at maging parti na ako ng Philippine Sepak Takraw National Team. Mayari keng pamag-aral at maging lisensyadong profesional. Biruin ka na akong pagdalanan. Kanyang 2018, may gawaran kong galal bilang mo sa outstanding Lubenian in sports. Anya iba't ka rin, tigdagan ko po at ako tinok ng mangarap. Maging miyembro na ako ng Asian Sepak Takraw Federation International Referees. Bilang peka na ka-miyembro internationally, may pabilang ko kareng 14 international technical officials ang mag-serve keng Southeast Asian Games 2019. Bawat karangalan na akakwa ko, lagi keng iyat na ing buntok ko at pagmaragon ko na Kapampangan ko. Pero manatili lang makarugpo kareng bitis ko keng gabun. Uling o ito ing masipit ng panabilin ning taong minubog keng mabilog kong pangatao. Ing kanakong coach, tatay-tatayan, Mr. Raul Paule Villaluz. Iti kabang biya kong bakalan at tandanan, Panatin lang ipagmaragulteng ka na akong anak, kang nanay at tatay ko, at pamilya ko. Salamat keng sakripisyo yu, at peragulyo kong ngayap. Keng asawa ko na laging makasuporta ka ko, keng nanumang gagawan ko, at keng mother-in-law ko, keng tiwala na ka ko. At syempre kareng teammates at coaches ko, kaya kway ni nung dahil kaya kayo. Kaya katamuyangan ing award ay ni. Bilang pamupos, buri kong yapse na ing ganaganang galal, yampang ko king ginong miglalang, apanibatani ka na akong dimot na kayatinan. Pasibayo po, ako'y Mark Joseph Rivera Ocampo, Kapampangan ko.
The journey leading to this most outstanding Kapampangan Award is a road full of assessments, reviews, reflections, going back to memories, and definitely a lot of questions. Questions where some are still unanswered even up to now. Am I worthy? Do I have enough to offer? Have I truly done enough to deserve this recognition? Most of the time, I am so hard on myself and always thinking that I have not done enough. I am genuinely humbled and deeply moved to accept this award, a non-traditional category only given to few emerging individuals worthy of recognition. I am a proud certified public accountant, but I am more than numbers. I am beyond numbers. Beyond being a CPA, I strived to become a professional I am today. An external and internal auditor, consultant in risks compliance management, internal controls, corporate governance, among others, for both public and private sectors. It is my passion, and I advocate initiatives related to ESG or sustainability. I hope to be an example that you can do more beyond your original profession. To my family, Imang Sol and Tatang Teting, my parents who are both public school teachers who instilled in me the value of education and guided me all throughout. To my sister, brother-in-law, and nieces, my immediate family has been there for me through all the highs and lows of my career. You have been my pillar of support, allowing me to be where I am now and to soar to new heights. Thank you to my extended Canlas and Mandap families, my friends, the unwavering support of my colleagues. Your faith in me had been my source of motivation that allowed me to push my boundaries and strive for excellence. My deepest gratitude to all of you. Maya pa oras ka rin, pari, teachers, and special mention to my classmates in Don Bosco Academy, Bacolor, Pampanga. My formative years are with you. Part of me is because of this great institution. Thank you to my nominator, our hardworking Mayor Philip Nagit. I will always remember your reminder when you called and told me that I am one of the awardees this year. Sabi niyo po, let this be an inspiration for you to keep moving and achieve more. Mayor, it will definitely be. Kanginalin Tourism Department and team, nakalasalamat. Bibigyan mo rin po in award ay ni kareng kabalen ko kinginalin. More than the numbers, I am a son, a brother, a friend, a church choir member, a church lector, a simple person. I still has a long journey to take and more stories to create. But I hope to inspire, to lead, to mentor the younger ones that through hard work, integrity, family, Christian values, anyone can thrive can achieve dreams, and can be better. Hard work, perseverance, and a thirst for innovation can truly make a difference. When we strive for excellence and act with integrity, success naturally follows. Truly, when we struggle with the right intentions, we will always win. I'm currently a partner in SJV and Company. I quote our founder, Washington Cecil. If there is one and only one message that I would like all of you to remember for the rest of your lives, it is this: be a person of integrity. I hope to live and have this in my mind. Giving back the glory and thanks to God and our Savior Jesus Christ. At tune po king puso at isipan ko in recognition na pinyeyo. Dakal a salamat. Ako po iiyan kanlas. And pagmaragol ko po tubong Pampanga ko, meragol ko po king Santa Rita Minani. Dakal a salamat. Masayang Pampanga Day kay Katamungan, and advance Merry Christmas to all.
Maya pa oras po kabalen kay ni King Probinsya na ning Pampanga, lalo na rin kapara kong Kapampangan at Kaluguran at Kaluguran. Ini pong galalabiyay po kana ako, metong niya po talaga king may ngumpleto, king kana ko pong journey. Dakal pong salamat, king tiwala, karayong judges po na may mili, may boto, dakal pong salamat. King Provincial Government of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, Nanay Lilia Pineda, and syempre po karen board members tamo po. Dakal pong salamat king support tayo karen Kapampangan artist, nakalupa ko. LGU San Fernando, ayan, Mayora Vilma Kaluwag, katamo pong Vice Mayor Amporen, City Councilors na talagang nakakakit ko po yung supportada po karen kapara tamong Kapampangan na talento. So syempre po yung Tourism Department na ning San Fernando, Ms. Ching Pangilinan and staff, and Tourism Office also of the Provincial Capital na ning Pampanga. Dakal pong salamat in committee na po ning MOCA. Thank you po. Iningan po, bibiyeta rin po yung kapasalamatan na karingagan na ganang gagawan tamo po. Siyempre po, king kaya katamo pong malugod at lulugod at alang hanggang gagabi kaya katamo, ing kaya katamo pong ginukimbabo. Dakal pong salamat king talentong Binyeyo. At share tamo po ini, atin man pong bayad o ala, ayan, at suya mo po yung metong araw muna para magpasaya po karen kapara tamong Kapampangan, po karen alang sawang susuporta kaya katamo po. Dakal pong salamat at isi-share kaya rin po ini karen makapaligid po kana ako maging mentor ko po, ang po rin pong gagabi po kana ako, yung kana pong manager, Tito Noe, Abad Santos Fernando. I love you Tito Noe, dakal salamat. Kanita pa man hanggang ngayon ni suporta mo alang pamagbayo. And syempre po, Tito Benny Ginto, dakal pong salamat. At Tita Deng Escasa. And syempre po, in behalf na pong Tita Deng, the late Big Ben Escasa. Iya po ing mag-arrange kita pong sikat tamong kantang Ojo Kaluguranda Ka. Pampanga Entertainers Directors Association Incorporated o PEDA Incorporated. Thank you so much Sir Jomar Duque and family. Dakal pong salamat. Ren ka na ako pong kagrupo Tres Diosas. Kareng tatangkilik po kaya kami. And syempre po kareng pamilya ako, dakal pong salamat Villarreal family, Sanchez family, Salvador, Toribio, Bonifacio family, Sampang family, at dakal pa pong Aliwa. And syempre po, King MOCA 2023, dakal pong salamat King Tiwala. Asahin nyo po, tuloy-tuloy tamong pong ipakalat na rin Kapampangan. Alilamo po ba sa gagawang parol? Alilamo po ba sa magluto? Alilamo po ba sa basta magkanta? Nungali po, ita pong pamakyabi at lugod king kaparang tao. Kapampangan ka manoali, manatilya po karen puso tamo. Dakal pong salamat. Ini po yung kaluguran yung ara muna na sasabing, Ojo kaluguran da ka, kaluguran sobra-sobra.
pong kapasalamatan king atamang Gov. Dennis Delta Pineda. Kaniting galal apulo na po ning Pampanga Provincial Board. Panimunana pong Vice Gov. Lilia Pineda. Ito pong galal metong yang pamangilala king gelingan ding Mandukit Betis. Iyang pangkepo iting karangalan king kakong pamilya. Kakong asawa Cherry. Karing kakong anak Anton, Rita, Yana. Lalong-lalo na po kang Jack, kayang asawa Alex at kayang anak Jason na Chula po Canada. Masalamatan kayo mo naman ing kanakong kapatid ko yung Willie Layo. Minantabi kanako king kakong pamandok. Tingan po pasalamatan ko at yang pangkuking apong din. Iyang pangkyanaan po ing galalay ni nareng pengari ko. Iyamang ko po. Alfonso Layog. Metong yang matay nakang dadaras. Ating meningat kay kami inyang malati kami. Ing kaluguran ming inang Irita Rosing Layog. Pareho na pong may yango na biye. Metong muna po ing advokasya mi ding agumang maso mandukit ang luwagi San Ursula na ing mantinan at pamanatilyan ing pamandukit king Betis Guagua. Dakal pong salamat maya pabengi po Diego.
May payaldo po kaya kayungan. Ako po'y Philip Torres, the creator of Pidait. Pidait is, to put together fabrics, to put together, balang po tamang kapangpangan na we have to unite, right? This is our history and story as well. And Pidait, of course, pamisan metong, is tumisasan metong tamo, there will be a beautiful art that will happen. Pidait, mo po ba sa malan, susulod, or it is a way of life. Nakalya po sopan mo naman, it's sustainable, and the stay-at-home wives, of course. Ila pong susopan tamo rin, at saka yung bayo ng Pidait, it's umisasan metong tamo, at yung tamong pagmargol, ketiking yato, na emo para ketiking syudad, kaya katamong Pilipinas, of course, pag international tamo po. Kaya dapat misasan metong tamo, and Pidait is a tapestry also, na gagawan mi, na pisop-sopan mi din kakong fellow artist. Kaya po mabuhay ni dahil kako mo. Yung Pidait po para kaya katamo yangan, na pagmargol tamo buong yato, na pamisan metong at din kapangpangan. Balang mo ping telang Pidait po, Pidait po, para kaya katamo yangan po ini, at dakal pong salamat. Of course, pasalamat ko po, of course, then dakal niya po hasusopan din kakong stay-at-home wives, din women sa Pampanga, then creatives na, ang parang sangguniang panlalawigan, ikakatamang Governor Dennis Pineda and Vice Governor Lilia Pineda. Dakal pong salamat kaya kayo. Luwid niya po yung kapangpangan po, pagmaragol po.
Menibat ko po king malukang pamilya ning Alvaro family king Barangay San Jose po, Concepcion Tarlac. Kapamilatan na po ning kanakong pamagsikap at lugod ning mayupaya kagum na ning saop da rin kakong pengari, mika, pegaralan ko, posisyon at medyo mayanabye. Ing pamanyaw at pamagserbisyong malinis siya po ing kanakong bilang pamamayan na pwedeng iale ko king Ginoo, king pamilya ko at karing para kong tao. Metong karing pekamanyaman a panamdam, itang magserbisyo ka, makasaw ka, at lumingap karing kalulu, karing masakit, at salat king kabiyayan king lugar na emo naman pibaitan, pero meging permanentimeng balayan at minye oportunidad kekang pamakipagkal. No kari ka man migmula, at nanuman ing kekang estado king biye. Ing pamanyuyu at pamandake king kekang kagiwan ing maliyari mong ay saup at manyaman at mayubong dapat ay biye. bilang grasya menibat kingapong Ginoo. At nano pa ing maging sukdulan asaya at tula nung potang kilalanan na kaning ketang kaluguran lugar, aminampun keka, king makabang panahon, alang aliwa, nung ing lalawigang Pampanga. Kapamilata na niting Most Outstanding Kapampangan Awards na panimunana ng Arts, Culture and Tourism Office of Pampanga. Dakala salamat po. Luid kayo po. Ing dangal at galal ay ni, yapin ing mamie inspirasyon at gana para lalo pang makapagserbisyo at sumaw karing kana akong parang tao, lalong-lalo na para karing kalupa kong kaluguran a Kapampangan. Karing kalupa ko pong Kapampangan. Bistamat etamo apili nung karing tamo lugal mi bait. Iting dayang si Sibul karing kay katamong uyat. Dayaya pong alaya. Tunayang Kapampangan. Maprinsipyo, mapanyaw, marangal. Luidya po ing Kapampangan.
Once again.
Ing Pampanga.
Banwang 2018, anyang api kasunduan daring dating miyembro Keti at Hatsuking Aliwang Bansa na itatagya ulit ing banda, may manintunlaring mga tuwang miyembro karing ni Yaliwang Eskwelang Pampubliko na anak ha interesadong manigaral musika. April 11, 2018, may buuya ulit o Campus Betis Band 46, pang-anam na henerasyon, estudyante lang edad 7 hanggang 17 banwa. Maestro Hercules Santiago iyang migtiyagang tinuro at taga-kompas. May garal yaking College of Music ng UP Diliman, Quezon City. Iya imumunang diling Kapampangan na meging miyembro mula may tatagyo anyang 1973 ing kilala king buong mundo Philippine Philharmonic Orchestra. Principal flutist ning kekatamong National Orchestra. Ali meging sangkan ing COVID-19 pandemya, makabang pa mag-adya papunta king tagumpe. Aldo ensayo kay batdang may magaral ring anak at pamanuli ng maestro ibat king obra na Manila. Buong Aldo ensayo pag-alang lob o bakasyon, Sabado, Domingo, Mumuran o Kaleldoman. Akit karing anak na desidido lang mabiyasa. At dintang napin, November 16, 2022, bunga ng pamagsakripisyo, ilang meging kampiyon king Symphonic Band category ng 2022 National Music Competitions for Young Artists, king pamisaupan daring National Commission for Culture and the Arts, Cultural Center of the Philippines at Department of Education. Pauli na niti, king murang edad daring kayanakan a musikus, mika oportunidad lang irepresenta ing Pilipinas king 2023 Daegu International Ensemble Competition and Festival agyenapan king Daegu, South Korea. Anyang milabas sa August 24 hanggang 26, 2023. Kinilala da ing dekalidad a pamanigtig daring anak at pigkalooban dalang Gold Medal Award. Ini ing pekamumunang International Award na MIBIE para karing Filipino Community Band. At ngeni naman po, lubusan kami pong magpasalamat king pamagkilalayo bilang metong karing Most Outstanding Kapampangan Awardees. Dakal pong salamat, and to God be all the glory.